Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a really simple, delicious chicken thigh cooked in a really nice and simple marinade. I'm going to be serving it with the new Tilda limited edition Peri Peri rice. Now this is the Tilda Peri rice. It's red and green, representing the bird's eye chili, which is the main ingredient in a peri peri sauce. I absolutely love this. I made this a few days ago with shrimps, and I'm going to show you guys how to make that as well in the video. Now those of you who follow my recipes and also watch my videos will know that I tend to use Tilda quite a lot. It's one of my favourite rice brands simply because the quality is just 10 out of 10 most of the time. So I'm so excited and also feel so privileged to be able to share with you guys this new limited edition, which is now available across UK supermarkets. So definitely get your hands on this if you haven't. Now the thighs is a very simple marinade. I make this all the time. It will take about 5 to 10 minutes to prep the chicken, another 25 minutes to cook. So you're looking around half an hour to 35 minutes to make this dinner, which is perfect for weeknights and also lunch. So yeah, my lovelies, I'm going to show you how to make this. I'm really excited to show you guys because it tastes so good. And yes, let me know what you think down below, and if you want to see how I make these delicious chicken thighs served with the Tilda Peri rice, then keep watching. Okay guys, so to start off with, I'm going to show you. So the first things first, we are going to start off with the chicken. I'm going to show you guys how I marinate the chicken. It's very, very simple. So to start off with, I'm going to season these chicken thighs. Now these chicken thighs I've washed. I wash them in lemon water and I just pass them dry. They should be dry, guys, just so the flavour really seeps into the chicken. I'm also going to make really small incisions inside the chicken just so the marinade can seep through. So I'm going to show you guys now. Seasoned with white pepper. White pepper is really good for enhancing flavour and it works really well with chicken. Onion powder. Smoked paprika. Some black pepper. This should have gone after the salt, but it doesn't really matter. Some chilli flakes. A bit of chicken seasoning. One of the things I also like to add is some olive oil. Now you want to season both sides of the chicken. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the chicken over and then do the exact same. This just ensures that everywhere is flavored equally. That's good. So guys, this is the seasoned chicken. Very simple and easy to make with a tad bit of honey. Now you don't have to do this, but I just find honey gives it a bit more additional flavour. And then I just rub that in.
nice one, yeah.
So yeah, my lovelies, that is that. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and let me know what you think down below. Are you a prawn seafood sort of person, or are you more a chicken sort of person? They're both perfect to enjoy with the rice. I'm going to leave a link in the description bar below for you guys to check out and find out more about the Tilda Peri Peri rice, where you can find it, maybe in the nearest store available to you, and also a bit of the nutritional facts and ingredients that are used in the recipe. So yeah, my lovelies, I'll see you all very soon. Bye.